Welcome to a journey into the fascinating world of manifestation, where science meets ancient wisdom. Today we explore how your thoughts, beliefs, and intentions have the power to shape your reality, grounded in both modern research and timeless traditions. Manifestation is the art of turning your desires into reality. It's the idea that your mindset, energy, and focus can influence the world around you. But where did this concept originate, and what does science say about it? Let's start with the ancient wisdom. For thousands of years, cultures around the world have believed in the power of thoughts and intentions. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, Chinese, and Hindus all recognized that our minds and spirits can influence our physical world. In Hindu philosophy, the concept of karma suggests that our actions and intentions create ripples in the universe, shaping our future experiences. The law of attraction, made popular in modern times by books like The Secret, echoes these ancient ideas that like attracts like, and that our thoughts are powerful magnets. Meanwhile, in Chinese philosophy, the concept of qi, or life energy, emphasizes the importance of cultivating positive energy and aligning oneself with the flow of the universe to manifest desired outcomes. So how does modern science interpret these ancient beliefs? Interestingly, recent studies in quantum physics, neuroscience, and psychology are beginning to shed light on how our minds can influence reality. Let's dive into some scientific insights. First, consider the power of thought. Our brains are constantly generating electromagnetic signals, thoughts that have the potential to influence our body and environment. Neuroscience shows that when we focus on a goal or desire, we activate specific neural pathways. This process, known as neuroplasticity, means that our thoughts and beliefs can physically rewire our brains, reinforcing positive patterns and behaviors. In fact, visualization techniques used by athletes and performers tap into this principle. By vividly imagining success, they prime their minds and bodies to align with their goals, increasing the likelihood of achievement. But it's not just about the mind. Our emotions play a crucial role. According to psychology, positive emotions like gratitude, hope, and love can elevate our vibrational frequency, a term often used in manifestation circles. This idea aligns with the law of vibration, which states that everything in the universe is in constant motion and has a specific vibration. When we emit a high-frequency vibration through positive thoughts and feelings, we attract similar energies. Quantum physicist Dr. Amit Goswami suggests that consciousness is fundamental to the universe. He proposes that our intentions can influence quantum particles, which in turn affects our physical reality. While this is still a developing field, it offers a compelling bridge between science and spiritual tradition. Another aspect of manifestation is the power of belief. Our subconscious mind plays a vital role here. If we hold limiting beliefs, "I'm not worthy," or "it's impossible," we unconsciously sabotage our efforts. Conversely, cultivating a mindset of abundance and self-trust can unlock our potential. Techniques like affirmations, meditation, and gratitude practices can reprogram the subconscious, aligning us with our desires. Ancient wisdom also emphasizes the importance of detachment, trusting the universe to deliver what's best for us without obsession or desperation. This mindset allows us to remain open and receptive to opportunities. So what's the takeaway? Manifestation is a harmonious blend of science and spirituality. Our thoughts, beliefs, emotions, and intentions create a vibrational signature that influences our reality. By understanding and harnessing these principles, we can consciously co-create our lives. Whether through ancient practices or modern science, the key is mindfulness, positive energy, and unwavering faith in the process. Remember, you are not separate from the universe. You are a vital part of this interconnected web of energy. Your thoughts are powerful tools for transformation. So start today. Visualize your dreams, cultivate gratitude, and believe in your innate power to manifest abundance and joy. The universe is listening. What will you create? Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the science and ancient wisdom behind manifestation. Stay open, stay inspired, and remember, your reality is waiting to be shaped by your intentions.